How to use Vaseline for super fast hair growth and straightening. 1 teaspoon Vaseline. Please subscribe to my channel. Two teaspoon coconut oil. Please press the like button. Mix it very well. Two vitamin E capsules for OMG. It depends upon your hair length. If you have long hair, you can use 2 capsules, and if you have short hair, you can use 1 capsule. Please share with your family and friends. How to use. Apply the mixture on your hair and massage it well and comb your hair continuously for 3 to 5 minutes. Leave it for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. For good results, you can apply this serum 3 times in a week.